the Cowboy and SneeZe. These two guys were darting around the place, in and out, played a really good game all day. Myself, the Mad Phoenix, SneeZe and the Cowboy, we kind of played as a team today, down at Limerick Airsoft camp. So game mode is defend the flag. We have to stop the enemy from taking the flag just outside our bounds. This is a fast-paced game and it was really fun. Time limit is 20 minutes and here we go.
Let's go forward a bit because you're gonna run with the flag.
At this point, my run cam scope stopped working. I didn't know this, it was still flashing. So all I have now is head cam from this game.